You'll have seen in a few of the head-to-head negotiations in the session you've done today and in real life, where there's a rush of blood and there's a change in the atmosphere in the room or on the call as time starts to ebb away. And that's something called the crescendo effect. I want to highlight it here for us now, because this is where the most skilled negotiators can use the opportunity of time and pressure for them or have it used against them. Now, time is going to be on the x-axis, moving this way, and pressure is on the y-axis, increasing in this direction. Now, there's always a certain level of pressure in any negotiation, but as time moves on, what we see is this idea of it rising, 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 and then right at the peak, when we are in an area of feeling most vulnerable, when we're getting to that deadline, when all the pressure is on all the parties involved, we get this crescendo effect. And that's where, if you're not a skilled negotiator, if you're not conscious of what's going on, your emotions can get the better of you. And what we want at this point is you to be in charge, you to be in control of your emotions and not let the time pressure get to you. So at this point, it may be appropriate just before we get to the crescendo effect that we take a time out and we reassess and we allow the emotion to disperse before going in with one more proposal or one more thing. If you add to that the fact that you're in control and in charge of time, well, you can move the goalposts on the crescendo effect as and when you see fit to have time work for you rather than have time used against you when you're more likely to compromise than the other party. Beware the crescendo effect.